Tucked away on Gladwin Road, we have this beautiful complex. Welcome to Natura. We have a 2-bed and den, 2-bath, beautiful ground floor unit. You're gonna love the patio, you're gonna love the kitchen. There's nothing you're not gonna like about this. This one's a 10, let's go check it out. This 2-bedroom condo is the epitome of luxury. It's got nice light finishes, stone countertops, high ceilings, and you're looking out at nature at every single window. One of the best parts of this unit is that it's a ground floor unit. So you have this great communal space just steps from your patio. If you like what you've seen today, please give me a call at 604-329-5055. Find us on Instagram at Leffers and Rook or call your local realtor. Thanks everyone.